All right, so we're over here with my friend Dustin, and this is some hackery. We're gonna show you a little hackery today on a Buick A-body. What year is this?
72.
72. Here goes. All right, so show us what we're looking at here.
Oh, what's up? Alright, so we're gonna clearance the wheel wells to fit 28-inch Rucci wheels.
And this car was just painted, right?
Yes.
$6,000 to paint this car. And like you said, the paint itself
It's pretty slick.
is good.
Well, somewhat.
Somewhat.
All this I scraped off a razor blade.
Yeah.
And that fender.
It just come off.
Yeah.
So this car is totally eat up. The inner rockers, outer wheel houses. Look how rusty that the window track even is.
Yeah.
Where'd this thing sit? In a mud puddle for 20 years?
I don't know, but all that up front, all this around the back, the whole quarter was nothing but Bondo and spray foam.
Man,
Around the back.
that's wild.
So far.
So this is the type of hackery that,
This is just all fiberglass. There's no metal here.
There's no metal here whatsoever. Where's the metal start?
About right here. Well, about where that line is.
Right there. Oh my gosh. So it's worse than I even thought it was in the picture you sent me. And the fenders look like they've been hacked up too.
Oh yeah, the fenders are pretty bad.
Oh yeah, there's a
Bondo.
1/4 inch or more filler. Because when they cut the fender wells,
There you go. Here's filler to come off the fenders.
you can use these as spray out chips.
Right?
Because when they cut the fender wells, the fender just lost all its strength.
This fender shape, go look at the other side. It's shaped a whole complete different. It's
Really?
got a body line in it. Where this one ain't even got close to a body line.
Yeah, this is totally different. Now this side, you can tell it's a pretty color. And whoever sprayed the paint halfway knew how to spray candy, but yeah, this whole car is butchery, dude. This frame's rotted. Wow. Okay. I don't know. I mean, I've seen bad. This is some of as far as, you know, just straight up hackery. Yeah, it's spray foam. What was they doing watching those Asian body shop channels on?
Oh, this is spray foam. It's all the way around.
Oh my gosh. And now, like, from what I'm seeing, the frame's even questionable on this car. I can't even believe the bottoms of the doors is any good. Or maybe they're just, nah, that's factory there, so. So this is the stuff you run into on cars and what people will do. Notice that the cars I exposed at the rod run, I don't think any of them was this bad, but that Chevelle, remember on my video down under here in the drop-offs, wasn't even welded. It had new quarters and it wasn't even welded around here or here. Well, this car here, they didn't put any new panels at all. They just spray foamed and bondoed and then painted it. I don't know why they thought that was a good idea, but anyway, hope you get something out of that. Bottom line is, be careful, because this was a $6,000, basically like you took a match and lit it and burned it. And honestly, this body shell is terrible. There's no telling what they're going to find when they blast it, and I just found frame issues. So this guy may be better off finding even a better car to do this with. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah. OMG.
That's wild, ain't it?